Hello children, today let us learn how to write an informal letter to a friend. Firstly, let us look at the pattern to be followed. Write the place and date to the right hand top corner. Then greet the friend by name. And remember children, never start a letter with a question, always start a letter with a statement. And in the first paragraph, exchange pleasantries, that is, get to know or inquire about the well-being of your friend. And in the second paragraph, elaborate on the main theme, that is, the theme on which we are expected to elaborate from the given question, according to the given question in the question paper. Then in the third paragraph, conclude conveying regards to the family members or the concerned people. Now on to the question here. Your school has been selected as the cleanest school in your mandal in the recent survey conducted by the government of Telangana. Write a letter to your friend about your efforts. You may include cleanliness maintained in classrooms and playground, midday meal sanitation, various awareness programs conducted, and persons who played an important role. Now on to the letter here, informal letter. Write the date and place to the right hand top corner. Then address your friend by name. Here I am addressing Dear Johnson. I am fine. I hope the same with you. How are your studies going on? And then in the second paragraph, we are elaborating on the theme on which we ought to write the letter. That is, our school has got the cleanest school award, so we need to elaborate on that. So here we start the paragraph this way. I wish to tell you about the cleanest school award given to our school by the government of Telangana. It was really a proud moment for all of us. Though it was a tough job to bring awareness on cleanliness among our schoolmates, we kept on insisting on the importance of cleanliness. The class monitors took special interest in maintaining cleanliness during the midday meal. Our principal and vice principal always encouraged us. Even our PET patted our backs, which gave us lot of enthusiasm. Patted our backs means encouraged us. We even played some skits during the assembly session to create a zeal to be neat and tidy. Zeal means to create a spirit, to create an enthusiasm among the children. Our teacher even awarded marks for wearing clean uniforms and maintaining neatness. Even Swachh School campaign was organized to create interest among the students to follow sanitation and hygiene. So here we are elaborating on the efforts taken by the teachers, the principal, the vice principal in order to inculcate cleanliness among the children. Ultimately, the government's appreciation came as a boost to all our efforts. Hope you too will write about the Kanti Velugu program held in your school. Look children, instead of just telling about ourselves, we can even expect something from our friend. So at the conclusion of the second paragraph, we can conclude the second paragraph expecting something from the friend, some letter from the friend regarding something which had occurred or which happened in their school or in their locality. So here we are asking our friend to write about the Kanti Velugu program that was held in his or her school. Convey my regards to your parents. This is the third para, the conclusion. You can even write convey my best wishes to your brother and so on. Then yours friendly. Then you can write the address on the envelope. Here you write the to address, that is your friend's address at the end of the letter. Hope you all understood how to write an informal letter. wherein you write the greetings on the first paragraph, elaborate on the theme in the second paragraph, and conclude conveying regards in the third paragraph. Thank you children. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.